Forget everything you know about farming. The days of back-breaking labor, rusty plows, and massive chemical sprays are officially over. We have entered the era of farming 2.0. Today, agriculture looks more like a science fiction movie than a traditional farm. From robots that shoot thermal lasers to autonomous flying fruit pickers, billion-dollar tech companies are revolutionizing how the world grows food. Today, we're counting down the top 5 next-level modern agricultural machines that are completely changing the industry. You will not believe machine number 5 actually exists. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 1, the Carbon Robotics LaserWeeder. This heavy-duty autonomous robot uses artificial intelligence and high-resolution cameras to scan the ground in real time. When it spots a weed among the crops, it shoots a high-powered thermal energy laser that literally vaporizes the weed in milliseconds. It can eliminate over 100,000 weeds per hour, completely chemical-free. Meet the Flying Autonomous Robots by Tevel Aerobotics. A fleet of tethered flying drones uses advanced AI vision to fly up to the exact piece of fruit, analyze its ripeness, gently twist it off the branch, and place it softly into a collection bin. This is the ultimate automated workforce.
Coming in at number 3, heavy-duty agricultural drone swarms. One single operator can control an entire fleet of these flying beasts from a smartphone. They map the field using 3D radar and autonomously fly over the crops, perfectly distributing liquid fertilizer, seeds, or organic pest control with pinpoint millimeter accuracy. At number 4, we have the fully autonomous John Deere 8R tractor. Imagine sitting in your living room drinking coffee while your massive tractor plows a 500-acre field all by itself. Equipped with 6 pairs of stereo cameras and an ultra-advanced AI brain, this mega machine calculates distances, detects obstacles, and operates entirely on its own. It maximizes productivity by doing the heavy lifting around the clock with zero human error. Finally, at number 5, the machine that is breaking the internet, the Nexat. This isn't just a tractor, it is a holistic crop production system that looks like a rolling spaceship. You simply swap out the modules in the center to do any crop task you need. It is fully autonomous, incredibly massive, and the absolute peak of modern farming technology. The future of agriculture is faster, smarter, and highly profitable. Technology is turning farming into one of the most advanced industries on the planet. Which of these 5 machines blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and discover more next-level business ideas, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Business Ideas English. See you in the next video.